How to buy gold bars at Costco. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to buy gold bars at Costco. Now, to buy a gold bar at Costco, you'll have to follow these steps. Now, Costco does not typically sell gold bars in their warehouse or online. While they offers a wide range of products including jewelries and precious metals in some locations, now gold bars are not commonly available through Costco's. However, if you're interested in purchasing gold bars, you can explore the reputable sources such as the precious metal dealer. You can look for authorized precious metal dealers who specialize in selling gold bars. They often have a variety of size and purities available for purchase, and many online retailers specialization in selling precious metal including gold bars. Make sure to search and choose a reputable seller with possession reviews and secure payment options. Now, check if there are any local bullion dealers or coin shop in your area that sells gold bar. Visiting these stores in person allows you to inspect the gold bar before purchasing. Now, occasionally auction houses may offer gold bar for sale. Keep an eye out for auction featuring precious metal if you're interested in purchasing gold bar through this avenue. Now, before buying a gold bar, it's essential to do your research, understand and verify the authenticity of the gold bar you're considering purchasing. Now, additionally, consider factors such as purity or premiums associated with a gold bar to make informed decision. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.